In this video, you will learn how to make a navbar using the Flexbox. So I will start with having the nav HTML elements inside the UL and the ally and the A tag. Inside here, I will have home. For the ally element, I will have about, and here contacts will be contacts. I will add also a div which will have the brand name. So here contact, here it will be div which will have, I will give it a class of brand, and here the h1 brand or just navbar. Okay, now let's see. I want the navbar and this UL elements, because I already gave the UL the display flex. I want also those two to be in the same line. So I'll give also the nav. The nav, I will give it also display flex. And now as you can see, we have them in the same row. Now I will give this one a height of 10 VH and a background color of aquamarine. Let's see. So as you can see, like this. Now we will start styling those UL elements. So for the li elements, I will remove those bullet points. So it's list style, it will be none, as you can see here. For the A elements, I will do text to transform, text decoration none, and just like this. Okay, so now for the nav, I will apply the justify contents, and I will give it, or for the brand, I will give it a flex basis of 25 pixel, and for the UL elements, I will give it flex grow 1. So let's check. As you can see, like this. And for the UL elements, I will give it a justify contents of let's see, space around. As you can see, we have this. And here for the nav, I will do the align items to be baseline, as you can see here. Now I guess this space around, it's better to have it just center, and I will give it a margin left of 1 rem or 2 rem, not in the UL because I want the links, so I will have them here. And here the color, it will be black, and text transform, it will be uppercase. So just like this. Same for the brand. I will copy this, and here for this one we can change it, so here it will be 25%. As you can see, just like this. We can change this one to be white, here, and I will make the fonts to be bolder, just like this. So this is how we can have or make a navbar using the Flexbox. So as you can see, it's really easy. It's really and it will make our uh, our navigation when we are on the mobile much easier to have it responsive.